If you're traveling and you stay in a rental with an Oceanic cooktop, you might wonder how to turn it on and cook with it. So that's what we're going to cover today. You'll see these controls on it from left to right. The B is the boost signal. It will boost the heat for 5 minutes. We'll get to that in a minute. The buttons for each of the two burners, front and rear, are right next to it. On the right side, you have these plus and minus buttons, which raise and lower the heat for each burner. Above that, you see a clock icon, which is a timer. I didn't use it, but if you want to use the timer, I'll give you a link to the user manual so you can learn all about it. On the upper right, that's the on-off button. On the lower right, that's the lock button. So let's get started. To start cooking, first you need to turn the stove on. You'll probably see the lock notification which says LO. So press the lock button to unlock the stove. But you can't unlock the stove unless you turn it on first. If you push the lock button before you turn the stove on, nothing will happen. Okay, you have 1 minute to select a burner and set the heat. Low heat is 1 and the highest heat is 9. Press the icon for the burner you want to use, front or rear, then press the plus button or the minus button to set the heat for that burner. When you're done, lower the heat again to 0. You'll see the letter H, which means the burner is still hot. This will go away when the burners cool off. The burners will supposedly turn off automatically if you don't have a pan on them for more than 2 minutes. When you're done, be sure to turn off the cooktop with the on-off button. Now, I mentioned the boost button on the left side. I didn't use it personally, but you can boost the heat higher very quickly for up to 5 minutes by pressing on the boost button, and it only works on the rear burner. You can learn more about this feature and about how to use the timer too in the user manual, which is available in English and in French. I'll put a link in the description. So that's a quick explanation. If you're staying in a vacation rental, enjoy your holiday.